This is a gown. This is a gown. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Temu wedding dress haul. If you missed my first one, I will leave that up in the cards for you. It has definitely been my most popular video, and I'm guessing why a lot of you are here. So if that's how you found my channel, definitely let me know in the comments down below because I am super curious. I also did do more of a bachelorette rehearsal dinner after party kind of style dress haul, so I will leave that up in the cards for you as well. But today is kind of a mix of both. I would say it leans a little bit more on kind of ceremony for an elopement. My fiance and I are deciding to elope. We're doing a courthouse elopement with just our close family, and we may do a ceremony later, but weddings are expensive, y'all, and we would rather spend the money on something else. So I have been on the hunt for budget options. I know that in my first wedding dress haul, I got a ton of comments of, why don't you just go to a bridal shop? These all look so cheap, like it's worth spending the extra money. And I totally understand that, but I also realized that that's just not an option for a lot of people. And for those people, going and spending money on a Temu, a Shein, and Amazon and trying a bunch of different options is still a splurge. So I wanted to go in and find some options that are really good quality, and I'm going to spend my money so that you do not have to. For this haul, I spent a total of $210 for all of these dresses, which is much better than you can spend on even one dress at most places. So if you haven't tried Temu, I will leave some information down below for you to save yourself a little bit of money. Existing users can also use the code and get themselves some money too, so definitely check that out. For all of these dresses, I did try them all on with the same heels, these babies. So that's my soapbox. Let's go ahead and get into these. First up, this is a kind of Swiss dot mini dress. It does have short sleeves, and it is, like I said, that Swiss dot material. This is definitely on the thin side, so it's not the best in terms of that kind of quality. When it comes to the stitching and the zipper, everything works really well. It is lined, but even the lining is super thin. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. Don't love how this fits. I keep ordering things that are like somewhat bodycon, and I don't like how I look in them, so that's on me. That being said, I do think this would be a really good option for like a bridal shower, if you were doing something that's a little bit more on the casual side. Not my favorite, but for the price, I actually feel like it's pretty decent. Had to put my hair away. Driving me bonkers. This dress I really liked. I actually think this might be a strong contender for me to keep. The quality of this one is really good. I think I might have to exchange it for a different size because it's just a little bit on the big size for me, so I think I could have sized down. The material on this is really soft, and the inside lining is like even softer. It's kind of a loose, looks and kind of feels like linen but softer, and then it does have long sleeves, and the sleeves are not lined. And then these fun little ruffles, I think these are so cute. I love how these look, and I feel like they just move really nicely. So for pictures and even like a first dance, I think this is so fun. It's a really nice lightweight long dress. I really like it. I feel like the style is just really fun. I'm not a huge fan of the neckline. I just feel like it kind of hits me in a weird spot, so I would probably get that fixed at a tailor and just do like a little bit better of a v-neck or something that just fits my neck a little bit better. Otherwise, I'm a big fan of this one. This is kind of similar. It just doesn't have the ruffles, and this one has some rubber on the inside so that it holds up, because you can actually wear this one off the shoulder as well. It does come with clear straps. I would not use that to wear them, but to hang them up, it is nice. Again, sheer sleeves on this side, or on this dress, and the bodice is this like really pretty pleated detail, and then the rest is just flowy and beautiful. Again, I really like the weight of this one. I feel like it's lightweight to where you could be wearing it in the summer and dancing in it all night long, and it's not going to be super heavy and weigh you down. but it still feels solid. Very, very nice quality, and I actually really like how this one fits too. Again though, I feel like I just need to size down. I really, really like this one. Another strong contender. I think I just like the tiers of the other one a little bit more. So between the two, the tiered one's my favorite, but I still think this one is really nice. Then we have this dress. I love this one. This is so fun. I feel like this is definitely gonna be something I will wear to like a bachelorette or like an after party. Kind of like a flapper style. It has this really fun fringe, kind of in like a chevron-y zigzag pattern, and it does have adjustable straps, and I just love it. I just think this is such a fun dress. It's nice and long to where I feel like I can dance in it and not be worried that I'm gonna like flash the whole world. It's so soft. Like this fringe is just like the softest fringe ever. It's not like the itchy flapper dress style fringe. It's just like truly really soft. It's not see-through at all. Quality is really good. It's super small, so it would be really good to travel with for a bachelorette party because it's not the kind of material that wrinkles. So that is like a huge plus for me. I just really like it. It's double lined. I feel like it's super flattering, and I really like this one. So this is cute. I actually was wearing this around the house and my fiance was like, oh, that's such a cute dress. You have to keep it. So that one's a crowd favorite. Lastly are our two like real big wedding dresses. This one, quality is immaculate. One of the nicest dresses I have ordered from Temu, and I'm super, super impressed. I don't like how it looks on me. Again, I don't know why I order bodycon things when I know I don't like how I look in them, but this one is really pretty. The sequins are in this fun like wavy pattern, which I love. It does have built-in pads and the little silicone so that it will hold everything up. The thing I also appreciate too is that it does have little hooks here, so you could hook straps onto it if you decided that you wanted to do that. The zipper on this is super nice quality. It's like a true metal zipper. The only thing that's weird is this elastic piece that goes around the middle. I would totally just cut this off, and I honestly don't think you'd notice if you seam ripped that properly. But otherwise, this dress is like absolutely gorgeous. Again, don't like how it looks on me, just bodycon wise. I just don't think it's super flattering, but that's also, like I said, because I don't like how bodycon things fit on me. I love the sequins of this dress. I wish this were just a little bit less tight around the stomach. This would be a really strong contender for me to keep because I love it. And I also love that it's like not the traditional just like all white, since it has this like nude color lining. I feel like you can see the pattern of the sequins better, which I absolutely love. The bottom is sewn super nicely. There is like an extra bit of material here that keeps the skirt weighed down, which I really appreciate. And then again, this lining, which makes it not see-through at all. So you can actually totally wear like black underwear in this and you will not see anything, which is huge plus, especially if you're gonna wanna wear like shapewear or something. If this is your style and you are good for the bodycon vibe, this is a beautiful dress. And then lastly, one that I am so impressed with, and very much could be a dress I end up wearing, is this one. This is something that I totally could see being in a bridal shop for like $600, probably even like $1,000 if we're being honest. Out here in California, there are stores that would charge $1,000 for this. This looks like a true wedding gown. Just got back from a wedding and I was a bridesmaid and I was a bridesmaid, I wasn't all of them, and helped the bride get into her dress, and quality wise this is really on par, and she did not spend hundreds of dollars. She spent like a lot of hundreds of dollars. I'm so impressed with this one, like seriously so impressed. Style of this is gorgeous. It does have pads in here, and then it has this mesh detail, which I love. I love it. It's so flattering. Zipper on this is so nice. The material is kind of like a shiny, kind of almost like a satin. I usually would not choose to go for a material like this, but for a wedding dress or anything that you're gonna have like flash photography, this material is so beautiful in pictures. Like seriously so gorgeous, because it just reflects the flash so nicely. So all of the nighttime photos, you're still gonna be like shining and glowing. It's like super nice, heavyweight. Like this is a This is a gown. This is a gown. Again, this does also have extra like weight down at the bottom, so it's gonna keep things down and not have the bottoms like wrinkle up, which I really like. It would need a steam. I did not steam this because honestly it would take me forever. I am so impressed by this. I feel like it's super flattering. Material is soft, it's breathable, it's heavy enough to where I feel like it looks full, but it's not like, it's not going to be a workout to wear this all day. There's boning in the side here, and then there is boning in the front as well, so it's actually going to keep things like up where they need to be. This is a big win. And that's everything. So those are all of the wedding dresses that I ordered. So in total, $210, which is amazing because I think $210 for just that last dress is still a steal. Let me know what dress is your favorite and which one you would wear and which one you think I should keep. I'm super curious to hear what you think about that down below. And if you're interested in seeing more Temu wedding dress videos, definitely stick around and subscribe because I will have some more coming your way. I have so much fun with these and I am on the hunt for the perfect dress. And I feel like we're getting closer. I really do. I feel like we're getting closer. Everything will be linked down below, so you can go ahead and check that out. And like I said, I will have some codes and links down below for you to save yourself some money. So absolutely check that out. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I super appreciate you being here and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!